Happy Valentine's Day. Today we're going to be making some Valentine's Day chocolates in Gravity Sketch. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go to brushes. I'm going to go to brushes by pressing X. I'm going to go to surface, custom revolve, and then we're going to go to point mode. We're going to go to point mode and we're going to click, make it really small as you can get it, extend out. Click a second time here to make it more flat and then go up. Then we can press Y, be done. Then we're going to grab with the circle, grab it, and then we're going to press Y again. And from here, we're going to press X. We're going to go to convert to subdivision object. Click that. We're going to pull this front corner out to make like a taper edge right here. We're going to pull this corner in as well. Then we're going to go to mirrored. We're going to pull this side in, pull this side out and make like a heart shape. Pull this sides to the inside, pull them out further. And then we can pull these sides up to make it thicker. Then from here, we're going to press Y. Then we're going to grab it again, press Y one more time, and then I'm going to go thicken / offset, and then I'm going to select thicken, and I'm just going to leave it like that. I just realized I had the wrong color, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to a black. I'm going to press A. I'm going to go to color materials. A color materials, take my black, and just click on it. All right. Then press A again, go to sketch. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to click. When I grab it while clicking, it will duplicate, and I will make a bigger one slightly around it. I will go to red, do the same thing we just did, press A, color materials, and click on the outside one I just created, and you can adjust from here. All right, so we have the inside and outside of the box. First step done. Next step, we're going to make the back panel that you see on the chocolate box. I'll show a picture here. So what we're gonna do, press A again, go to sketch, then press X, go to draw, custom volume, then we're going to click planar, and then I'm gonna scale everything down by grabbing both triggers. I'm going to click with my right trigger, this one, and I'm going to hold it and move it flat. Then from here, I'm going to draw another heart on the outside. So I'm going to go like this, one. And then I'm going to press Y and make this shape, scale it up, click to duplicate it, and I'm just going to flip it over and duplicate it on the other side. Adjust it. All right, now that we have the top box, I'm going to push the stick up a little bit. I'm going to grab specifically the red ones, and I'm going to press X to group them, so that way we'll have another one. And then I will take this one, take the group, and I'm going to click this top one, take this one, put it on top. If you get something like this, you can grab it, press X again to ungroup it, push this one back in, push this one back in, make it flat more again, push the stick out, grab it again, press X one more time, group it again. Now you can have the top of the box. Make this one slightly bigger. I'm going to put this to the side, press A, go to color materials, and I'm going to make it a slightly darker red. Boom. Group this one as well by grabbing the circle and pressing X. Now you have this two parts. So first, now we're going to make the wrapper. Go to press X, shapes, cylinder. Make sure you grab a cream color. Then you're going to click with the right trigger, make cylinder. Boom, perfect. Grab it with your right hand, press Y. Then we're going to shrink it down. Then we're going to click on our right hand, convert to subdivision object. Now, press A on your right controller, go to merge and separate. Push the right stick to the right, and then you will get this tool. Push this circle in the top right here, and completely select this top. When you press Y, you will get the top be able to come off like that. I will take this, and I'm going to press B to delete it. Then I'm going to grab this again, press Y one more time. Now, we're going to make this more like a wrapper.